I'm gonna take a Lyft over to the Magic Kingdom, and I'm gonna wait this time because I'm in no hurry. It'll be 13 bucks. I'm gonna take a Lyft over, be at the TTC, and then I will walk over to Polynesian. It's right there beside. I'm not gonna ride the monorail. I'm gonna go to Wailulu's and eat. No reservations needed. I'm gonna sit out at the bar, do some work. I'm in my hotel room. 3 minutes, he'll be here. So yeah, I'm hurrying downstairs. I thought it was gonna take a minute, but it's not. So it's great. It's a little bit cheaper, $1 cheaper. So I'm at the TTC, shuttle buses and rideshare. So it is hot. Whew. I don't know what the temperature is, but middle of the day, 1:30. Didn't take me long at all from the time I booked it till I got here. 10 minutes, I don't know, not much. It's easy. So now I'm gonna head over to Polynesian, and I'm just gonna walk it right beside it. I don't want to take the monorail. Wailulu at the Polynesian. Walk. I walk to the Polynesian. I can't remember. Yeah, I think I go through security. We'll ask. If I'm gonna walk to the Polynesian, do I got?
You just keep going straight. If you keep going,
do I come in security?
Nope.
Or, no, just walk around.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, okay, so I don't even go through security. I just walk around. Okay. So yeah, I didn't want to film security. This came from over there, and we're gonna walk to Polynesian. Super close. Polynesian. We're gonna go to Wailulu, the bar outside. And so they asked me last night, cast members, to film that out front. They're like, what you doing? And I was like, oh, I got a website. I try to help people get in and out of Disney. And they were like, okay. Doing it for the D-Dad. Oh man, it's toasty. I know I was sitting outside at the bar. Probably be wide open. I did this once before. I remember that one pool and pool off the bar. I'm going to one on the other side though. The main place. Which way you want me to go? Right or left? I'll go around this way. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. This is it. This is the main place. And then Wailulu is just on that side. The main place where I usually go. But I'm going over to Wailulu. Please pardon our appearance. This area is being refurbished. I don't think I can go through here. I don't think so. I'm going over there, but I gotta walk around. Alright, so I just walked through that main part and I turned it off for a second where they're doing construction. Right there. Those right there. It's just on the other side here. No big hurry. Nobody outside. I know it's so hot. It's a nice breeze under there though, so we'll see. That's it. I made it. I can see where I'm gonna sit right there. Maybe. It's the lobby of these, I don't even know what these towers are called. It's the new Polynesian towers.
Don't book the wrong hotel. Stop guessing. DDadBudget.com.